strict response.
Tan Singh Desi.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. As recently reported by The Standard, the Slough Observer and other media outlets, serious bribery allegations against Slough Borough councillors heading up the planning process are extremely concerning. After months of complaints and rumours circulating around the town to restore public trust and confidence in elected representatives, does the Leader of the House not agree that it's critical that the police it delves deeply into the matter and does a thorough investigation, not questioning under oath those credible businesses who have been brave enough to put their concerns in writing, as well as those accused of bribery, would be a huge disservice to democracy? And would the Leader also ensure that the Home Secretary takes an active interest in this critical matter?
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. I'm responsible for many things, but operational police matters is not one of them. But I will certainly make sure that the Home Secretary has heard what he has said.